Do you hear because you want to trade and making money from it? But all the time you think if you want to make money from trading first, you have to have a money. And I'm here today to prove that you are wrong because trading not depend how much money you have. It depends on three things. One, learn how to work simply. You can trade without understanding anything about trading, just like a gambling. If you don't know, what are you doing? So we have to focus on what is one trading toe type of market and three basic terms, but we will learn after. Two, risk management. Even professionals lose in trading, but they are not lose everything. The risk management helps you to know how much you can lose and how much risk keeps you live in the game. So you have to focus on never risk them 1 to 3% per trade. Always use stop loss. Don't let your feeling drive you. Because let's say you lose one or three or five trade in a day. Don't trade that day because a lot of people, when they lose, they act like a gambler. They put all of their money in one trade to return. If you boxes three, trading psychology, the market will test your emotion. You have to work on discipline because even the best strategies fails. We will focus. Control your emotion if you lose a trade. Don't panic and don't trade for return it. Be a doctor for yourself, not sick. Make a plan and follow the plan. Accept the lose because it is part of the game. In the summary, you have to focus on this. Read things before trading. One, learn how to work. Two, protect your money. Three, control your mind. Wait to start trading with me and learn step by step. See you soon in another video.